Good morning, everybody. Hello. So I am at Walgreens right now and we're gonna do some shopping. I'm gonna see if my store has any 90% off stuff. I'm not all into it, but I did get some great stuff the other day. But it's kind of a slow day, or a slow week. It's usually always that way, like the first week of the sale. But I got some stuff we're gonna do. I'm hoping to make this a great haul. So let's go in and go shopping. Don't forget, I do have a printable breakdown below, and I also will show you guys my haul at the end of all the breakdowns. So let's go shopping. My store has some all-made clearance on clearance for $4.49. You want to buy 2 of them? There is a 7 off of 2 face coupon. You end up using that. You'll pay $1.78, but then you get a $5 register reward when you buy 2. It comes out to be a $3.02 moneymaker. Update on this, I just checked out my printable coupons that I have, and I have a $1 off beauty, so I'm going to use this for the tweezers. It does say it's a limit of 1. So instead of it being just $2.58, it ends up being $1.58, which is an even better deal. The All My Wipes are $5.99. We do have a 5 off of 2 digital coupon that you'd want to use. You'll end up paying just $6.98, but again, you get the $5 register reward, making it $1.98 or 99 cents. Now please keep in mind, all these have to be in a separate transaction, and do not use the register reward to roll over the next deal. The Revlon eyeshadow is on clearance at my store for $4.39. We have a 7 off of 2 digital coupon that you want to use. You'll end up just paying $7 or $1.78. But you get a $5 register reward when you buy 2 of them, so it comes out to be just $3.22 moneymaker. I don't have any Tide coupons or Tide Digital, so I'm going to show you guys this scenario. So the Febreze 2-packs is actually on sale for $4.99, along with the Dawn. I know the Power Spray and probably the dish soap. These are also $4.99. But we do have some coupons. We do have a $1 off coupon for the Febreze. I did scan that, and there is a $1 coupon that shows up for the Febreze. And then we also have a $1 coupon for the Dawn dish soap. So you guys could use 2 and 2. There is no digital for the Dawn, but you'll end up just paying $15.96. You do get a $6 register reward when you purchase 2 of them. Comes out to be just $9.96 or $2.49 each. The Colgate Toothpaste is on sale for $3.99. We do have a digital coupon for 3 off of 2. You'll end up just paying $4.98, but you do get a $4 cash rewards when you buy 2 of them. Comes out to be just 98 cents or 49 cents each. The Crest Toothpaste is on sale for $3. We do have a $1 off digital coupon if you guys need to use the $1 off. And then we also have a $1 off insert coupon from the P&G. You end up just paying $4, but then you get a $4 cash rewards when you purchase 2 of them. Comes up to be absolutely free. The Renews It is 89 cents. We do have a buy 4 get 2 free digital coupon. Watch it. Sometimes it only has just 1. I don't know why they can't fix this, but it's supposed to be buy 4 get 2 free. You'll end up just paying $3.56. That comes out to be just 59 cents each for 6 of them. So this is an all-month deal, but the picture frames, the regular price, but then there is a $2 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. So you get a booklet, or there is the digital that you can just clip. So after like the $2 off coupon, this is a 5x7 like magnet. This comes out to be just $2.49. They have this one for $1.99 after the Walgreens booklet is factored in, but this is an all-month deal if you guys need to get picture frames with your free pictures that you get for a Christmas gift or any kind of gift. The Kellogg cereal is on sale for $1.88. There might be a digital, but I know there is a printable coupon. There might be insert coupons, but you want to get 2 of them, use a $1 off of 2 digital insert coupon. You pay $2.76. Comes out to be just $1.38 each. So we have Icy Hot for $8.99, but I actually checked the website or the app, and it says that it's $5.99. So your store should price match it. If they don't, just do an online order. You'll still get a receipt. But there is a $2 off digital coupon. We also, I don't know if we've received any in the inserts, but we also have a $1 off printable coupon. So you guys want to use that. You'll end up just paying $3.99 for that. But there is a $3 rebate with Ibotta, just making this just 99 cents. The candy of the week is the Tootsie Rolls, the Tootsie Roll Pops, the Blow Pops, caramel apple pops in double bubble. They are $1.99. I do not think, and I checked, there is no coupons out there for you guys, so if you need some of that, go for it. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, hello. So I was kind of like, okay, let's see what kind of deals they are. So last week, I want to give you guys an update. I did call Walgreens and they did give me my points that I lost. The guy was actually super nice. Like I was just calm and cool, collected. But I did get my points that I did lose because she put it as a return adjustment stuff. So that's how I lost my points. So they adjusted that. So this week I was just like, okay, let's see what we got for deals. It's not like a hot week, but I'm excited to share with you guys what I got. There was a deal that I didn't even, I did do, but it didn't show it like that price in the ad, but when I got it, I was like, oh, okay. So I'm gonna show you guys a really good deal. So you wanna get the Icy Hot. Now I showed you guys in the ad, or on the website, it shows that it's $5.99. These are actually buy one, get one 50% off according to my receipt. It didn't show that on the website, or on the app, but it's buy one, get one 50% off at $5.99. You want to use two $2 off coupons. I used one digital and I used one printable coupon. You'd pay $4.98 for this, but you get $3 back with Ibotta and $3 back with Ibotta, so $6. This comes out to be a $1.01 moneymaker. There's 2 of them in here. There's 5 patches. 5 patches in each box. So if you guys need to go do that. This is the only item that did not ring up sale price. Now, I also, it says in the ad you're supposed to get a $6 register reward. I did not. I got $6 in points. I'm just giving you guys a heads up on that. So if you're like, oh wait, it didn't print, but I will take the points over the register reward anyways. So I got 2 of these, and then I got 2 of the Febreze. I used 2 $1 off coupons for the Febreze, and I used 2 $1 off coupons for the Power Wash. It's only for the Power Wash, not the dish soap. So I used $4 worth of coupons, but you guys would end up paying $15.96. You're supposed to get a $6 register reward according to the paper, but you'll actually get $6 worth of cash rewards. So your final total comes to be $9.96, or just $2.49 each. So if you think about it, these are each $1.25, which is a decent deal because usually you get them for $1.50 for just one of them. And I think for $2.49, this is an okay deal. I really am liking this stuff. I've been really cleaning a lot with all that stuff, so I'm excited for that. I did the Colgate Toothpaste. The Colgate Toothpaste was $3.99. I used a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. You would pay $4.98, but then you get a $4 cash rewards, where it comes out to be just 98 cents or 49 cents each. Not the greatest deal, but since I have moneymakers in other areas, it comes out to be free anyways. So got that. And then I did the Crest Toothpaste. These were $3 on sale. I used 2 $1 off coupons that we got from the P&G. Actually, I used 1 digital and 1 insert. Paid $4, but then you get $4 cash rewards. Comes out to be absolutely free. So if you guys need some toothpaste, go for it. I'm like, there's a cop behind me, but he's just stopped at the stoplight. Duh. Okay. So a lot of makeup is on clearance. A lot of makeup is on clearance. So I'm gonna go with that with you guys. So I was just luckily looking for a digital coupon or printable coupon that I had. Well, I ended up looking at the ones that I printed off last week. Where's the other one? I got 2 of these. Okay, here it is. I got 2 of the tweezers. Now these are $3.79. I did have a $1 off coupon that I had I printed like last week or whatever. So you guys want to use that $1 off printable coupon. There is no digital, but you'd pay $6.58 for these, but then you get a $5 register reward, making it just $1.58. So that's like $1, I don't know, $1.29, give or take, or no, not $1.29. $1.58, it's like 70 something cents. 79 cents possibly, but there is that. That's a great deal. And then my store had a ton of clearance. So I'm going to show you guys 3 more scenarios. Now all 4 of these scenarios I did in a separate transaction because you can't roll, you can only get 1 register reward. So anyways, So I'm glad I looked before I walked away, because they had a clearance tag for these for $4.49. But when I looked at the tag, it had a barcode 001. Well, I checked out those ones and those were not 001. These were 001. So I ended up grabbing these ones instead, because this is black anyways and I like black eyeliner. So I ended up doing this for $4.99 or $4.49. I had a 7 off of 2 digital coupon that I used. Paid $1.98. You get a $5 register back. This comes out to be a $3.02 moneymaker. $3.02 moneymaker. Then my store had these on clearance for $4.39, but they did not ring up on clearance. So she ended up overriding it for me anyways, because I'm like, it says it right there. So $4.39, I used a 7 off of 2 digital coupon. Paid $1.78 for this. Comes out to, you get the $5, or I'm sorry, I'm not showing you guys the $5 register rewards. You get the $5 register rewards. Comes out to be just a $3.22 moneymaker. So right there, you guys got $6 worth of moneymakers. So if you do like the other deal with like the Dawn dish soap, it comes out to be a better deal. And then I also did the All-Mate wipes. Now these were $5.99. You want to buy 2 of them. We did have a 5 off of 2 digital coupon. You'd pay $6.98, but then you get a $5 register reward, making it $1.98. So 99 cents each with that $5 register reward. So I ended up getting $20 worth of register rewards. Okay, so my total came to be $35.54. Some of you guys asked me about the coupon that they give you every single week. Like right now I have it, if I spend so much, I think it was spend 25, get 6. I usually pay with points. Pretty much 90% of the time I pay with my points, so it doesn't always work when you pay with points unless you have so much more on that. So mine didn't work this time, but I ended up getting $35.54. I received $20 worth of register rewards because I did 4 transactions of the Revlon. For points, I received $14.41. That was $6 for the Dawn, and then I also got $4 for the Colgate and $4 for the Crest. So, and then with Ibotta, or no, for points, yeah, $14.41. And then with Ibotta, I ended up getting $6 back for the 2 Icy Hots. So my grand total came to be a $4.87 moneymaker. I'm pretty excited. Like I would love to do the cereal deal, but I am more of a General Mills kind of person than the Kellogg's. I just been donating Kellogg's cereal like crazy. I just donated 3 giant boxes to the shelter in my area of food because I have so much of it and I won't use it fast enough. So that is what. But that was my haul. I'm pretty excited with everything that I got. I mean, it turned out to be a good deal. Make sure you guys are checking out those Revlon. We did have Revlon printable coupons from a couple of days ago. Usually it's just a limited one, so you can mix and match however you guys want to do it. But I just did it this way to make it easier for you. Let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye.